So guys, sharing is here one more video me came out of Python, and in today's Python video I'm telling you about the working with list. In today's video we are working with list in Python, so I'm telling you about it. See the video starting, and please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel to not get to all the notifications. I'll also never miss over any future related videos about the Python. So without taking any time, let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing it. So guys, in today's Python video, I'm telling you about working with list in Python. So now let's start and let's work with the list in Python. So let's start. But first of all, let me write here some number like 5, 12, 51. Okay, now let's start. Now here are some common operations and use cases for list in Python with code examples, and in today's video I'm telling you about it. We first start from creating a list. First, you must know how to create a list. If you don't know how to create a list, so let me tell you. For creating a list, you only want to do, first of all, you open your Visual Studio Code. But I have already told you that how to create a list, and I have already made the one series of this list. Okay, in the starting of the Python series. Okay, here you make your file by the name of index.py, and they save your file in your documents. Now paste it. First of all, here we create a list, creating a list of our numbers. Okay, and you must know that at the list will be always created with the square brackets. Okay, you must know that. And then my list name is numbers. Now here we create a list with mixed data types. Okay, like here we give the mixed list and then equals to, then in the square brackets we write like 1 comma hello, then 3.5, then 2. Then here we print the numbers. Okay, here we write like numbers, then here we write like numbers, then mixed list, and then mixed list. Now save it and run it. Should give me the output should be numbers 1 2 3 4 5, mixed list 1 2 1 hello 3.5 true. Why does it give me like this? Because in the number section I write like my number variable, my number list name, and then in the second I write in the mixed list I write like my mixed list list name. Okay, so that's why it is giving like this. So like that you can create a list, or in the easy way, if I told you how to create a list, you only first of all write your list name. Like I am giving my list name should be this list. Okay, now when you write here your name of your list, you only want to do it, you wrote here assignment operator equals to. Okay, then what you can do now, you will be only put here square brackets, and in the square brackets then you write in the double commas your all thing, like I'm writing apple or banana or cherry. Like that you can make a list and then give here print this list, then your list will be created. Like that you can create a list. Number 2, how to access the list elements. If you don't know how to access the list elements, so let me tell you. Now here we are first of all you create a list. Okay, and I create the list by the name of fruits, and in this list I create a list by the name of fruits, and here I write like 3 figures: apple, banana, cherry. And then here we are accessing my index, like here we write like first fruit, then I write in my fruits list name, and then in the square brackets I write like the index number 0. Okay, now it give me first fruit should be apple. Okay, why? Because I write like my first of all I write like my list name, then I write here 0. Okay, index 0. So that's why the apple has index 0. So then it will print the index 0. Then here this is the negative indexing. Here we print the last fruit, and then here I write like my fruits list name. Then in the square bracket I write like -1. It give me here cherry. Now let me show you. Here you can see first fruit apple and last fruit cherry. Here you can see like that you can access your list. You're accessing your list elements. Number 3, modifying the list. Here we are for modifying the list. Okay, copy it and paste it. Now here we first of all we create a list by the name of fruits, and then here are like 3 figures: apple, banana, cherry. Then here we are changing the changing an element. Okay, here we are changing an element. First of all we create a one list. Here I create my fruits. Here I like my list name fruits. Then here I like index 1. Now here it give me the banana equals to blueberry. So now it will not give me the banana, it give me blueberry, because here I am changing an element. Okay, then I say print modify the list, then it give me apple, blueberry, then cherry. Then here we adding elements. Here we are using the append method. We are adding our elements. Here we add our elements orange. Okay, how? Only want to do it. First of all, you write your list name, then write dot append method, and which item you will be insert in your list. You write here, and then that's it. Then you write here print after append, then you write your fruits list name. Here we are inserting a specify index. How? You only want to do it. First of all, you write your list name, then you write dot insert method. Then in the square bracket you write like one kiwi, then you write in the print section you write like after insert, then you write here your fruits list name. Now save it and then run it. So give me modify list apple, blueberry, cherry. After append apple, blueberry, cherry, orange. Then after insert apple, kiwi, blueberry, cherry and orange, like that. Number 4, removing an element. How to remove an element? If you want to remove an element, there are 4 to 5 methods to remove an element. To remove one element, you want to use the remove method. It is the removing by value. Okay, in my first of all, I write here my list name. Then I write here my remove method, and in the remove method, I write here remove the banana. Okay, so then the banana will be removed. Then here we are removing my index, means that first of all I create a one variable by the name of remove fruit. Then I write assignment operator. Then I write like my list name, and then I write like dot pop method. In the pop method, I write like 1. So then it will be remove my index 1 item, and index 1 is has the banana. Now here we are clearing the entire list. To create an entire list, you want to use the clear method. Clear method will clear your entire list. Now let me save and run it. So it give me after remove apple, cherry, orange, then pop it element cherry, then after pop apple, orange, then after clear. So you are all clear. So like that you can clear the entire list, and you will be removed by index, you remove by value, like this. Number 5, iterating through a list. Here we are iterating through a list. Here this is one example. In this example, we are iterating through a list, means that here we are using the for loop to iterate the thing. Here we are using a for loop, and here we are using the enumerate for index and value. Then save it and run. So give me apple, banana, cherry. Index 0 apple, index 1 banana, index 2 cherry. Why does it like this? Because I write here index, and in the curly brackets I write like index, then I write like my fruit list name, and like that. Here we are iterating through a list. Number 6, list comparisons. This is the list comparison, so you can see it. Now let me copy it and let me paste it. Here we are creating a list of squares. Okay, here we are creating a list of squares. Okay, like first of all we create a list by the name of squares, and in it I write like x multiply by 2. Then for loop I write here then x in range, and in the range I write like 1 to 6. Then like that we do it, and here we are filtering our even numbers. Now save it and run it. So it give me squares 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Then in the even numbers it give me 2, 4, 6. Number 7, sorting and reversing the list. Here we are sorting and reversing the list. Here what we can do, here we are sorting in ascending order. Here in this line, in the 4th or 5th line. Here we are sorting in the descending order in the 8th and 9th line. And here in the 12th and 13th line we are reversing the list. Now save it and then run it. So now it give me the upward sorted list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then descending order 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And in the reverse list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Now number 8, list of operations. Now this is one example of the list operations. Here you can see it. Now let me copy it and let me paste it. First of all, here we give in the first line of code we are concatenation. Here we doing some concatenation. Then here we are doing the repetition. Now save it and run it. Should give me the combined list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then repeated list 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, like that. Like that you can do it very easily. Now number 9, checking the membership. Here checking the membership. Here what we can do, here first of all we create a one list by the name of fruits in this example. Then here we are using in operator, like here you can see it. Now save it and run it. So give me the output in is apple in the list true. Then it give me is graph if the grape is in the list false. Okay, because grape is is not in our fruit list, so that's why it give me false here. But if I inserted the grape also, so now it give me, sorry, in the double commas we wrote it. So now it give me true here. Here you can see like that. Number 10, copying a list. Here we are copying a list. Okay, in this example, what here we are doing here, we first of all shallow copy are using and slicing. Then here we are using the list function. Then here we are using the copy method. Then here when we save it in and it should give me the output should be original, should be apple banana cherry. Then copies apple banana cherry 1 time, then apple banana cherry 2 times, then apple banana cherry 3 times. Why does it give me 3 times? Because I write here have a copy method. Okay, using the copy method you will be copy your list. Number 11, find the length, mix, max and sum. Here we are finding the length of mix, min, max and sum. Here you can see it. Now save it and it should give me length of list is 5, minimum value is 1, maximum value is 5, and then sum of elements is 15, like that, because 5 plus 5 is 10 and add a 1, so it's called a 15, like that. Let me know if you like. Let me know if you do like more examples or help with the specified use case. So tell me in the comment section below. But in today's video, I told you about the how to working with a list in Python. So I hope you enjoy this class. If you enjoy, please like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel to never get to all the notifications while also now my server and future related videos about the Python. So I'm using next lesson next very amazing class like that about videos. So for today, goodbye.